Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. I'm going to show you the easiest nappy fold ever for cloth nappies. Right, so you start with this corner and you put it in the middle. Then you take this corner and you put it in the middle, and we tidy it up. Then you put this one in the middle, and then this one in the middle, and then in the middle. I call it the in the middle fold. In the middle, in the middle, and you just have to remember how to do it, you just have to keep putting them in the middle, in the middle, in the middle, and in the middle. See? It's really easy. One more. In the middle, in the middle, in the middle, in the middle, and oh yeah, in the middle. That's it. Last one now. Hope you've got it by now. Not sure. In the middle, in the middle, in the middle, in the middle, and in the middle. And this fold is good to put the baby in. You put it in like that, and then you do that over there like that, and then you pull those up around the front like that on each side, and the baby's in the middle, obviously in the middle. It's good for fatter babies, because the other fold, which I prefer, which is also similar to the in the middle fold, but not quite the in the middle fold. Uh-oh, I've forgotten the other fold. Is it this one? Is it that one? That one? And then, oh, I've forgotten it again. And then...
In the middle? No.
In the middle?
No.
Oh, in the middle. Which middle?
You fold over the sides.
Ah, in the middle. Like that. That's the triple fold one. So then to get the baby in that one, you go like this and like this. You put your baby's bum there and fold it over like that. But that's for smaller babies, obviously. So the middle fold is for the fatter babies, like the fat baby that we have right now. Uh-oh, I've forgotten. In the middle, in the middle, in the middle, in the middle, in the middle. That was in the middle for big babies, big babies. And then the other one was like this, in the middle, and then 1, 2, 3, but there's only 2 steps. And then like this. And like that. And then I'll do the in the middle again, because I like the in the middle one. It's easier to remember. You go in the middle, in the middle. Oh, I've gone off a bit. In the middle. This is wonky now. In the middle, in the middle, in the middle. Thanks for watching. See you later.